Hello students, welcome to your Journal Studies class. Today we will continue with block 16, topic water to live and subtopic ways to store potable water, and the aim is students will be able to identify ways to store potable water, and the keywords are filters, containers and storing. Students, you all have to write these keywords on your notebook. So let's start the topic. Class, in previous topic we studied about potable water. What is potable water? I hope you all know about potable water. Water that is fit for drinking is called potable water. Potable water should be clean and clear, colorless, no taste and no smell, and free from germs. So it's all about potable water. Now come to today's topic, ways to store potable water. Class, how do we make water potable at home? And what would happen if one day there was a power cut and the water filters were not working? From where would we get potable water in summer especially? So, most of us have filters at our home that clean the water for us. Some of these filters work on electricity. If there is a power cut, means light off, the filters would stop working. Also in summers, we keep some water in fridge to cool beforehand. Usually we store water in fridge to keep water cool. So class, some of us keep water in earthen pots to make it cool. Earthen pot means that we usually call matka. So some people keep water in earthen pots to make it cool. So today we will learn the ways by which we can store potable water. Our today's topic is ways to store potable water. Class, how would we store potable water at home? We can take some clean plastic or steel bottles with lids and fill them up with potable water. Usually we all have some plastic bottles, steel bottles, jars at our home. Very first we have to clean that bottles and then store potable water in that bottles. One thing which is most important to keep in mind while storing potable water is what? We can then close their lids tightly. All jars should have lid with them. We can close their lids tightly. We can also store water in jars, steel utensils and cover them with a lid. Most important thing that we all have to keep in mind while storing potable water is what? It should have a lid and we have to cover that utensil with a lid. Okay. So class, here are picture of some plastic bottle, steel bottle. Now come to ways to store potable water. Very first, we always should keep potable water in clean containers. Second, container should be covered with a lid. It should not be open. Any utensil, any jar, bottle, plastic or steel, it should have a lid with that utensil. So containers should be covered with a lid. Third, use campers with a tap. We can also use camper. Usually we all have campers at our home which have a tap with that camper in front of it. Okay, so don't touch potable water directly. We should not fetch water from any jar, any utensil or camper. Don't touch potable water directly. So, what else can we do to store potable water? Means what other ideas, ways by which we can store potable water? Then what we should keep in mind while storing potable water? What things we should keep in mind while storing potable water? So we can use large campers that have a lid to store potable water. They have tap in front of them. Now look at the picture. This is the picture of large camper which have a lid, right? They have tap in front of them. We can open the tap and take out water for drinking. By this way, we didn't touch water directly. While storing water, we should make sure that it is covered. When we store potable water in that camper, what we have to keep in mind? We should make sure that it is covered so that no dirt and germs can enter in it, in this camper. So these are some points that we have to keep in mind while storing potable water. Now come to your content book, storing potable water. We can store potable water in various types of containers such as bottles, jars and water campers. We should make sure that the containers are washed properly before storing potable water in campers. We should wash them properly and have no soap in them. The containers should be dried in the sun. Then potable water can be stored in them. It is necessary, it is important that the container in which we store water should have a lid. One most important thing we all have to keep in our mind: any utensil, jar, bottle, camper, anything in which we are going to store potable water, it should have a lid. Okay. So it is the picture of containers in which we can store water. So class, today we studied about ways to store potable water. I hope you all understood these ways by which we can keep our health fit and strong. Again, I am going to repeat ways to store potable water. Very first, use clean containers. Second, containers should be covered with a lid. Third, use campers with a tap. Fourth, don't touch the potable water directly. So it's all about ways to store potable water. Thank you, class.